Cast irons. Cast iron introduction. Ferrous alloys with greater than 2% carbon. Small amounts of silicon, sulfur, manganese, and phosphorus. Eutectic alloys of iron and carbon. Least expensive of all metals. It is a cheap metallurgical substance. Easy castability. Good machinability can be achieved when a suitable composition is selected. High duty cast irons can be produced by further treatment of irons of suitable composition. Composition: carbon 3.0 to 4.0%, sulfur up to 0.1%, silicon 1.0 to 3.0%, manganese 0.5 to 1.0%. Cast iron. Effects of composition elements on cast iron. Carbon may be present in the structure either as flakes of graphite or as a network of hard, brittle iron carbide. Cementite is silvery white compound. If an iron containing much cementite is broken, the fractured surface will be white iron. In contrast, if an iron contains much graphite, its fractured surface will be gray due to the presence of graphite flakes in the structure. Gray iron. Silicon. It causes cementite to be unstable so that it decomposes, thus releasing free graphite. High silicon iron tends to be a gray iron, whilst a low silicon iron tends to be a white iron. Cast iron. Effects of composition elements on cast iron. Sulfur. It tends to stabilize cementite. Thus, it helps to produce a white iron. It should be noted that sulfur causes excessive brittleness in cast iron. Manganese. Manganese strengthens and toughens an iron. It helps to exert a controlling influence over the harmful effect of sulfur. Phosphorus. It aids fusibility and fluidity in cast iron. Like sulfur, it induces brittleness. Cast iron. The effect of heat treatment on cast irons. Prolonged heating of a white iron causes graphitization to occur and is used as the basis for the production of malleable irons. Graphite is less than cementite. The cementite decomposes into ferrite and graphite during heating. The decomposed ferrite and graphite will occupy more space than did the original cementite structure. This phenomenon is termed as the growth of cast irons. The growth of cast irons leads to warping of the casting and the formation of cracks at the surface. The prevention of growth in cast irons can be achieved by using a high silicon content iron in which cementite is fully graphitized state before being put into use.